Hey, my lovelies, it's me, LAL. I finally decided to give Assunta's Instabun Braid Wig a try, so here we are. I purchased a medium mesh dome cap from Amazon. Y'all like my little blockhead? It's sitting on a little stand. I'm just going to slide this dome cap on. Back when we made quick weave wigs, y'all, we could put a little plastic bag or shower cap beneath the cap, the wig cap. However, hot glue will probably melt plastic, so we won't go there today. Use whatever braids you can find. I'll be using the big box braids by Bishi. I ordered these from samsbeauty.com. I have a total of 5 packs, but we'll probably only be using 3 today. There are 20 braids in each pack. The longer ones are probably easier to put in a bun, but child, I have MG, which causes me to have a lot of muscle weakness, so a sis don't want to be looking like a bobblehead. I tried, I told ya. I was trying to make my first one less heavy. You'll need a hot glue gun and some glue sticks, y'all, as well as something to pin the hair up with. So please be careful. If you make a mistake and touch the glue while it's hot, it will burn the mess out of you. If you touch the tip of the gun, same thing. It's a little messy. I ain't gonna even lie to you. It's a little messy, and you do have to move quick because it starts to harden fast. I'm just applying some glue and pressing the braid on. This is the back of the cap. I have it positioned this way because the braids will be pulled up. They'll be pulled upwards into a ponytail and or a bun. You will want to make sure that you place the braids above the elastic on the cap. That way it is still able to stretch to go on your head. So just remember to stay above this line with the braids. The one thing about hot glue is it's a hot mess. It gets the job done quickly though. If you really have time, sis, you can sew your braids onto your cap. But not today. I'm applying the braids as closely as possible, as you can see. For now, I'm just attaching them from the loop of the braid and onto the cap. After securing them all, I went back and glued down about 2 to 3 inches of each braid to the cap so that it will be easier to put it in a ponytail and it won't pull in the cap too much. They look more like individuals right now, but when finished, they look like flat braids, if that makes sense. I don't believe it took me more than an hour from start to finish. I was trucking, y'all, but your girl did burn that hand a few times. I'm telling you, be careful. So basically you're going in a circle. It's going all the way around and attaching the braids to the perimeter of the wig cap. I'll be honest, loves, the first time you do this is definitely a learning experience. So through trial and error, you will find things basically that you'll want to change each time you make another one. And hot glue is not easy to work with, so be careful not to drop some on the braids. Once you drop some on the braids and it hardens, it's really hard to try to pick it off without messing up the braids. So don't go too fast, you know what I'm saying? All right, love, so as you can see, this is pretty repetitious, so I'm gonna continue doing what I do. I'm gonna let y'all watch me work these hands, and while I do that, y'all can catch some beats real quick, you know what I'm saying? So I'll be back with y'all in the outro. right, loves, it's pretty much time to pull the hair up. The center of the cap is going to be kind of empty, but like I said, I did go back after I secured each braid to the cap, and I glued down like the first couple inches of the braid in an upward way so that, you know, the ponytail would be easy to be pulled up. So this is what you get. And here is your girl, L to the A to the L again. I'm going to just snatch this off the blockhead. We're going to rob her of this wig, and your girl has her on. This is our new, okay? So all you have to do is pick whatever headband you're going to wear for that day. Put it on. You're going to cover up the elastic band on the wig cap, okay? And I'm not worried about the front because it's all black, so it's going to blend in. But if I'm wearing a different color, I'll cover that, you know, in entirety. I'll make sure it's all covered up. But I'm not that pressed about it, you know what I'm saying? So we think we cute already. Y'all, it just definitely feels like I have some flat braids, but I got her up in a pony. I used one of those like headbands. And then I'm just taking, after I get her up in a ponytail, I'm just going to take 2 portions and wrap into a bun. And it's not super duper heavy, so I'm glad that I did not apply more braids than what I did. So it's pretty, you know, doable. So you don't have to worry about your neck being pulled on, you know, it's being too heavy for you. But I think for my first time, and not too bad. She's cute. I'm definitely going to do some more videos like this for y'all, love. So definitely thumbs up this video if you found it helpful, if you want me to do more videos like this, y'all. But we about to get ready to pull this chica up into a bun. So like I said, the braids are not long, the ones that I got, but if you just take one section, wrap it around, and then I'm going to just use some bobby pins and secure, and then I'm going to wrap the other portion of hair the opposite direction to cover that up, and also pin it down with bobby pins, okay? It's not too hard, but you can do like a messy bun if you want to too. It'll probably be a little easier, but once you get it up, you're good, you know? It'll stay as long as you pin it down real good. But if y'all make one, or if you have already made one, y'all tag me, share your pics with me, hit your girl up, you know what I'm saying? I love to mingle with y'all. I'm sure I'll be seeing y'all around on social media somewhere. Follow your girl. I hope y'all like this video, y'all. And thank you, Miss Assunta, okay? Because I don't know if she was the first one to ever do this, but honey, she was the first one that I saw. I saw her TikTok video, and honey, I've been wanting to do one ever since. So your girl got one now. We got us a Instabun Braid Wig. But that's pretty much that. We done pinned most of it down, our little bun here. And you can wear it in a pony if you want to too, y'all. But hope y'all found this video helpful. I'm going to be catching you very soon in the next video. Please do subscribe. We want you to officially become one of my lovelies and join the fam. Tap the alert bell, okay? Your girl loves ya. And looks like I'm going to catch you in the next one, guys. Mwah. Bye-bye, y'all.